Hello everyone, my name is Brunalini Khor. I am given BSc IT. Currently I am student of the MIL Academy. Today's my project is voice biometric. Project topic is exploration of voice biometric. Biometrics. What is the biometric? It is a physical characteristic, a measure of a biological trait. A simple definition of the biometric, something you are. Today it is becoming more and more popular to use biometrics to identify people and authenticate them for access to secure areas and systems. Categories of the biometrics. Fingerprint. Fingerprint biometric compare point or pattern on a fingertip to establish the identity. Second is the iris. Iris scanner looks at the color ring around the pupil of the eye. Third is retina. A retinal scanner compare the blood vessel in the eye. Face. Face biometry, it compares size and facial features of the face. Hand geometry. Hand geometry compares hand shape and size. Then handwriting biometrics. Handwriting biometric analyze pattern in the writing, speed, pressure and velocity of when you are writing. Voice biometry. It checks pitch, tone and rhythm of the speech when person will talk. Biometric process. Biometric process having two phases, enrollment and verification. Enrollment. Enrollment phase, the biometric capture, process and store into the database. Enrollment phase. Then verification phase, when you verify the biometric, it capture, process and compare from the store database. When it is matches, then user should be authenticated. It's not matched, user not authenticated. Voice biometrics. Voice biometrics was by digitizing a profile of a person's speech to produce a store model voice print or template. Voice prints are stored in database in manner similar to the storing of fingerprints or other biometrics data. Types of sound. There is the three types of sound: voice sound, unvoiced sound and plosive sound. Voice sound. Voice sound create when vocal cord vibrates, in normal speaking. Unvoiced sound. Unvoiced sound create when vocal cord does not vibrates. Example, shh. Then plosive sound. It is built up when a pressure is released. The words when you talk, butter, like B. What is the advantage of the voice sound? The first advantage is the low cost. Low cost, the cost of the implementation is very low because there is no special hardware required. A simple telephone or microphone used for that. The second one is the easy to use. Voice authentication is easy to use and easily accepted by the users. It is quite natural to speak. Third is, it is only one of the most important biometric. It allowed to authenticate remotely. The fourth is fast to capture, authenticate. Hardly it will take 0.5 seconds to authenticate the users. And last is the another advantage of that. It is very small to storage anywhere. So storage size of the voice print is small, so it can be stored almost anywhere or you can carry anywhere. What is the disadvantage of that? First is the age. As age grows, voice changes. So it creates the problem for the biometrics. And second is the expert in mimicry. Some people are expert in mimicry. They use the mimics to get the unauthorized access. Problems in accuracy. The background noise, illness and age, it create the problem in accuracy to capture or to authenticate. The difference between telephone and microphone also create the problems in accuracy. Accuracy measured in three categories. The categories of the accuracy: failure to enroll, false acceptance rate, false rejection rate. That is, these are the three categories. First, failure to enroll. User registration not done successfully into the system. And false acceptance rate. User authenticate but should not be. Means false user accepted by the system. False rejection rate. User not authenticate but it should be. means right user rejected in this case. The CER, what is the CER? Crossover error rate. The point at which FAR means false acceptance rate and FRR means false rejection rate. The intersect is called the crossover error rate. The lower CER, the better for the system performance. This is the crossover error rate of the different biometrics like a retinal scan, iris scan, fingerprint, hand geometry, signature dynamic, voice dynamic. And application of the technology, voice technology. Voice technology is applicable in a variety of areas, but for us, those used in biometric technology include internet or intranet security, online banking, online security trading, access to corporate databases, online information services.